Ano mo ticket? Still na ako.
Today is Chester's final defense. Okay, so today is my final defense and I'm still not prepared. Final defense day. Oh my god, my eyes look so tired. Because I really am. Okay, so what I'm feeling, I feel tired. Now I want this to like over and done.
After having a rigid deliberation of your thesis, we unanimously give you a pass rating. Congratulations! Hindi na nagtambang istorya-istorya.
So I have a problem. This is my thesis, but I don't have spine on it. So the problem is, I will need to pay double, and I need to wait another week to have it done.
Congrats.
Board of Assets and Changes. Mary May Olapas, Mandaue City.
Okay, finally made it. Right after the ceremony, we book a Grab to Pier 3.